How to apply for a Lowe's credit card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll cover how to apply for a Lowe's credit card, so watch until the very end. Start by launching your web browser and visiting thelowes.com. Click on the credit card icon to choose the card you want, such as the Lowe's Advantage or the Business Rewards card, and others. After selecting your card, click on the Apply Now button and provide the accurate information including your full name, your address, phone number, email, social security number, date of birth, employment, income, resources, and financial details. Ensure that your credit score is also fair. And after entering your details, read and agree to the terms and conditions, review your application and submit it. Lowe's will then review your application and either approve or deny it. If approved, they'll mail the card to the address you provided, and if you prefer to apply in-store, simply fill out the paper application with the same requirements and hand it to the store associate. So that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.